Yeah, hi, this is Mudassar Khan, working as a project coordinator at Mechcons Private Limited. We are into the manufacturing segment of block cutting machines and heavy duty metal cut-off machines. We are in this segment since last 5 years. We are based in Vadodara, Gujarat, in Makarpura GIDC. We are manufacturer of heavy duty block cutting machines, metal cutting machines, and floor saws. We are manufacturing our machinery under the brand name of TM Equipment. Our major clients are from big construction companies, heavy fabrication industries, precast, and scaffolding. We are participating in Engiexpo 2026. We are looking forward to serve these segments confidently and efficiently with our machinery.